점수 잡는
hackers.
해커스 토익 실전 천재 토 리스닝.
Test 9. Listening test. In this section, you must demonstrate your ability to understand spoken English. This section is divided into 4 parts and will take approximately 45 minutes to complete. Do not mark the answers in your test book. Use the answer sheet that is provided separately. Part 1. Directions. For each question, you will listen to 4 short statements about a picture in your test book. These statements will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. Select the statement that best describes what is happening in the picture and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on the answer sheet. Look at the picture below. Now, listen to the 4 statements. A.
The man is looking at the monitor.
B.
The man is sitting at the desk.
C.
The man is typing a letter.
D.
The man is holding a cup.
The statement that best describes the picture is B.
The man is sitting at the desk.
So you should mark letter B on the answer sheet. Now, Part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
He is putting on a jacket.
B.
He is reaching for a handle.
C.
He is opening a bag.
D.
He is standing beside a conveyor belt.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
They are walking under an archway.
B.
They are entering a hotel lobby.
C.
They are descending some steps.
D.
They are leaning over a handrail.
Go on to the next page. Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
She is wiping off a countertop.
B.
She is flattening out a piece of dough.
C.
She is putting away a rolling pin.
D.
She is rolling up her shirt sleeve.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
Blinds have been drawn in front of a window.
B.
Various objects have been placed in the cupboards.
C.
The refrigerator door has been left open.
D.
Pots are being washed in a sink.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
Some people are climbing into the back of a carriage.
B.
Some people are examining the wheels of a cart.
C.
Some people have tied horses to a fence.
D.
Some people have boarded an uncovered vehicle.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
Chairs are stacked in a room.
B.
All of the seats are occupied.
C.
Some people are separated by partitions.
D.
A man is copying some documents.
Go on to the next page. Part 2. Directions. For each question, you will listen to a statement or question followed by 3 possible responses spoken in English. They will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Now, let us begin with question number 7. Number 7.
What is everyone going to do after dinner?
A,
We'll probably see a film.
B,
The winner was declared.
C.
They had a late lunch.
Number 8.
What did it cost to have your tablet fixed?
A,
Go to aisle 3 for tablets.
B,
This furniture is broken.
C.
I was charged €50.
Number 9.
Where's the research manager?
A,
Have you checked the lab?
B,
Set them over there.
C.
She's a skilled manager.
Number 10.
How long is the drive from here to Catalina?
A,
I'm taking my car.
B,
About half a day.
C.
It gets good mileage.
Number 11.
Which bus company should we book for our next trip?
A,
I'll change our booking time.
B,
Something more affordable than last time.
C.
One of the best travel guidebooks I bought.
Number 12.
When is the assistant director returning?
A,
Let me know if you need assistance.
B,
She supervises our team.
C.
Either this week or next week.
Number 13.
Who was selected to oversee the Marlowe project?
A,
That has yet to be announced.
B,
They're excited for the opportunity.
C.
The president finally chose a venue.
Number 14.
Why did you buy so many boxes of paper?
A,
There was a sale at the store.
B,
On the other receipt.
C.
I forgot to stop by.
Number 15.
Andrea will send copies of the budget to us.
A,
Expenses for this quarter.
B,
Rent has not increased lately.
C.
When will we receive them?
Number 16.
How quickly can your team revise this fiscal report?
A,
Your timing was perfect.
B,
It's the quickest way to the arena.
C.
You'll have the final draft by tomorrow.
Number 17.
We're extremely pleased with your work on this assignment.
A,
I no longer work there.
B,
Thank you. I'm quite proud of it myself.
C.
That's an excellent suggestion.
Number 18.
Why don't you consult someone from technical assistance?
A,
I probably should.
B,
No, I don't see him.
C.
It's technically wrong.
Number 19.
You visited this city in the past, right?
A,
My friend will be here in June.
B,
It's past the library.
C.
On several occasions, actually.
Number 20.
Who can deposit these checks at the bank for me?
A,
Do you need them deposited today?
B,
Into the company account.
C.
Another teller needs to be hired.
Number 21.
It's not the best time for employees to go on holiday.
A.
Yes, an orientation for employees.
B.
You're right. A lot of orders are coming in.
C.
I spent it with my family.
Number 22.
Why is the train to Bern running behind schedule?
A.
It will be delivered today, though.
B.
There's a problem on the tracks.
C.
We should leave it at once.
Number 23.
Why don't you share your research findings on Monday?
A.
I studied economics in college.
B.
To assess consumer opinions.
C.
Oh, the data won't be compiled by then.
Number 24.
Does your store offer refunds and exchanges?
A.
Only under certain circumstances.
B.
It sells electronic equipment.
C.
We exchanged business cards.
Number 25.
You haven't seen my notebook around here, have you?
A.
Pick up some pens as well.
B.
You haven't been around these days.
C.
The one with the yellow cover?
Number 26.
Please don't order a dish with nuts in it.
A.
I'll make sure they go in order.
B.
Pistachios are my favorite nut.
C.
Oh, I forgot you were allergic.
Number 27.
Do you want to pack up the living room first or start with the bathroom?
A.
We still don't have boxes.
B.
It's in the next room.
C.
She has to move very soon.
Number 28.
Should we edit the photos on the computer?
A.
Everyone met the photographer.
B.
That requires special software.
C.
It is my new camera.
Number 29.
Am I supposed to lock up the building before I leave?
A.
The custodian takes care of that.
B.
We can look for it later.
C.
It's on the left side of the structure.
Number 30.
Should I proofread this manual, or have you already reviewed it?
A.
Each division has a different handbook.
B.
Actually, can you have Cole do it?
C.
Let's watch a preview first.
Number 31.
Didn't you take an excursion during your vacation?
A.
We took a day trip to Crete.
B.
Well, what would you like to do?
C.
The hotel staff will book one for us.
Part 3. Directions. In this part, you will listen to several conversations between two or more speakers. These conversations will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. For each conversation, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Questions 32 through 34 refer to the following conversation.
I'm glad that we decided to come to this conference. It's been extremely beneficial so far. I've even written down a few marketing ideas. I want to use them for some of the books our firm plans to publish this year.
I agree. All the lectures on promotional strategies we heard this morning were very informative.
Yeah, The organizers of this event are actually arranging another conference from April 13th to 15th. We should consider attending that one as well, as it will focus on online advertising for firms like ours.
Number 32. What industry do the speakers most likely work in? Number 33. According to the man, what did the speakers do this morning? Number 34. What suggestion does the woman make? Questions 35 through 37 refer to the following conversation.
Thank you for coming in to be interviewed for the junior contractor position at our building firm, Mr. Shaw. Now that the interview is over, do you have any questions?
Yes, I do. Will the job require much travel? I went on many business trips at my last company and wasn't very fond of that.
Off-site training seminars will be held occasionally, but they typically take place at facilities within this city.
So I won't be traveling on a regular basis. I just want to be clear about this.
Right. And we will give advance notice if it is necessary.
Great. Actually, I'm glad that your company provides professional training, since it'll likely help me become aware of building changes.
Number 35. Where most likely is the conversation taking place? Number 36. What does the woman say about the training seminars? Number 37. Why does the man say,
So I won't be traveling on a regular basis.
Questions 38 through 40 refer to the following conversation.
Excuse me, I'd like to ride this city bus to Fenton Street. However, I'm not sure how to properly secure my bicycle to the front of the vehicle. Could you show me how to use the bike rack?
I'm very sorry, but the rack is out of order right now. The locking mechanism is jammed, so bikes can't be securely fastened to it.
That's too bad. Well, how much longer will it take for another bus to get here?
Buses stop at this corner every 15 minutes, so not very long. I suggest waiting for the next one. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Number 38. Who most likely is the man? Number 39. What problem has the man identified? Number 40. What does the woman inquire about? Questions 41 through 43 refer to the following conversation.
There's a problem with our online banking system.
Yeah, I heard that some of our customers can't access their transaction records. There must be something wrong with our database software.
That's right. Can you let Robert Nolan from the IT team know about this issue?
I already did. He said that his team should have a solution to the problem by tomorrow morning.
Okay. Is Robert checking whether our new mobile application is affected as well? We need to make sure it is set to launch next Monday.
Oh, I'm not sure. I'll call him back now and check.
Give me an update on that as soon as possible, please.
Number 41. Where most likely do the speakers work? Number 42. What is suggested about the mobile application? Number 43. What is the woman told to do? Go on to the next page. Questions 44 through 46 refer to the following conversation.
Excuse me, I know you sell green and white curtains made by Perlman, but I can't see them anywhere.
I'm sorry, but we sold out a couple of days ago. And because Perlman will release a new product line next month, we won't be ordering any more.
Oh no, I purchased several sets for my apartment 3 weeks ago, but the curtains I got for my living room are almost 5 inches too short. I guess I made a mistake when measuring the window.
Well, it's not all bad news. We carry another brand in the store that is made of a similar material and has an identical pattern. Here, let me show it to you.
That'll work. Thanks for the suggestion.
Number 44. What is the problem? Number 45. When did the man purchase some curtains? Number 46. What does the woman mean when she says,
It's not all bad news.
Questions 47 through 49 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, do you know where the Department of Motor Vehicles is located? I have to visit the agency on Saturday morning, but as I moved here only 2 months ago, I've never been to its offices before.
Yes, I've been there many times before. The agency is in a large gray government building on Belmont Avenue, across from Fremont Park. You can't miss it. But why do you need to go there?
My driver's license will expire very soon. I've been putting the errand off for a while, but it will no longer be valid on Monday, so I'm going to take care of it over the weekend. Thanks for the information.
Number 47. According to the woman, what is located near Fremont Park? Number 48. What does the woman inquire about? Number 49. What is the man planning to do on Saturday? Questions 50 through 52 refer to the following conversation with 3 speakers.
For the next stage of this focus group meeting, I want to ask about the instruction manual for our desktop computer. What are your impressions of it?
Personally, I think it could be improved.
Can you elaborate on which aspects of it need to be revised?
Well, the part explaining how to plug in the various cords is too vague.
Yeah, and I couldn't find any directions on how to use the orange cable this provided.
Okay, I'll make a note of that.
It'd also be useful if the manual had more graphics.
Right, in order to illustrate the various setup steps.
Number 50. Who most likely are the men? Number 51. What is mentioned about the computer manual? Number 52. What do the men suggest? Questions 53 through 55 refer to the following conversation.
Natalie, don't you think we should install automated payment machines in our shopping mall's parking lot?
Definitely. Many visitors have complained that waiting to pay our parking attendant at the counter is very inefficient. It seems that cars are getting backed up when there are many shoppers trying to exit the parking lot at the same time.
I can understand their concern. Plus, using automated machines in the lot will likely save us more money in the long run, since we wouldn't have to pay the wages of the parking attendants.
Good point. Let's bring this up to our manager at the staff meeting this afternoon.
Number 53. Why have customers made complaints? Number 54. What does the man say about the machines? Number 55. What does the woman suggest? Questions 56 through 58 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, Mr. Lowell. My name is Frances Foucault, and I'm calling from the Norwood Chronicles. Our paper is planning to do a series of articles on local entrepreneurs, and I'd like to interview you for one of the features. Would you be willing to do that?
Most likely, but I want to know more about the series before committing.
The articles will focus on how Portland residents came to own companies. Since you're one of the city's most prominent business people, our readers would be eager to learn about your life. I'm free to meet with you anytime next week.
In that case, yes, I'd be happy to be interviewed. Why don't we meet up next Tuesday?
Number 56. Where most likely does the woman work? Number 57. What does the man want to learn more about? Number 58. What will most likely happen on Tuesday? Questions 59 through 61 refer to the following conversation.
Rita, it's Dean calling from Los Angeles. Did I catch you at a bad time?
Not at all. How is your trip going?
Quite well. In fact, I'm contacting you to discuss my meeting with the CEO of Bauer Industries. We've agreed to sign a contract.
So, we're going to distribute Bauer Industries merchandise along the East Coast?
Yes, beginning in May.
That's great news. Seeing as an agreement has now been reached, we should talk about which staff member will be put in charge of managing relations with the client.
I'll arrange a meeting with our team about the matter as soon as I get back.
Number 59. Why is the man calling? Number 60. What does the woman want to discuss? Number 61. What does the man agree to do when he returns? Questions 62 through 64 refer to the following conversation.
A problem has been discovered in our latest coffee maker. Apparently, it overheats when it's left on for more than an hour, which is a safety hazard.
That's definitely a problem. We'd better play it safe. Let's instruct our engineers to begin working to improve the design immediately.
They've already been notified and will be prioritizing the task over the next few days. Nevertheless, we should push back the product's launch a week or so in order to have the floor fixed.
I think you're right. It doesn't appear as though we have any other options.
Number 62. What is the problem? Number 63. What does the man mean when he says,
We'd better play it safe?
Number 64. What does the woman suggest? Go on to the next page. Questions 65 through 67 refer to the following conversation and graph.
Hey Hadley, I'd like you to lead the software development team when Raoul retires in 2 weeks. If you accept the position, I'll tell our developers at the meeting this afternoon.
Really? I'm honored that you selected me out of all the other candidates interested in the position. I'd love to take on that role. Do you know what my first assignment will be?
Yes, you'll be overseeing a project updating one of our applications.
Are you referring to Music Time? I know its monthly downloads dropped again.
No, that application has already been dealt with. Actually, I'm talking about the one with the greatest jump in downloads since May. Its code must be revised.
Number 65. What is the conversation mainly about? Number 66. What is the man planning to do? Number 67. Look at the graphic. Which application will be edited? Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation and label.
I'm going to buy an Orange Blast soda because the gas station shop is having a special on this brand. If I buy 2, I'll get 1 free. Do you want one?
Can I look at the label? Although it contains a sizable amount of vitamins, I'll pass. I'm fine with the amount of fat and sodium it contains, but I'm trying to avoid drinks with more than 40 grams of this other ingredient.
No problem. Is there anything else you'd like? It's on me.
Really? Thanks. Could you grab me a bottle of green tea, please? I'll go out and pump the gas. That way, we'll be able to leave as soon as you're finished.
Number 68. Why does the woman plan to buy Orange Blast soda? Number 69. Look at the graphic. Which ingredient is the man trying to avoid? Number 70. What does the man request the woman do? Part 4. Directions. In this part, you will listen to several short talks by a single speaker. These talks will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. For each talk, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Questions 71 through 73 refer to the following speech.
It is an incredible honor to receive the Darren Kurt Lifetime Achievement Award this evening. I always wanted to become a chef, but I never dreamt of leading such a long and prosperous career. While many people contributed to my success, I want to give special thanks to my mentor and friend, Molly Kaya. Her guidance and support has been essential. Without it, I never would have enrolled in culinary school or opened my first restaurant. So thank you, Molly.
Number 71. Where most likely are the listeners? Number 72. What is the speaker's job? Number 73. What does the speaker say about Molly Kaya? Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following telephone message.
Hello, Mr. James. This is Claire Washington. the new lead editor for your manuscript at Lilith Publications. I read over your latest submission this morning and found a major inconsistency. In Chapter 1, your main character states that she was raised on a farm, but she later mentions her childhood apartment. I was just going to tell you to simply change the apartment reference, but other key passages refer to it. You need to resolve this issue by July 9th, since publication is scheduled for August 20th. Please send me an updated copy as soon as possible. I don't think it'll take much time because you are familiar with the material and know what you meant to say.
Number 74. Why is the speaker calling? Number 75. What will most likely happen on August 20th? Number 76. What does the speaker mean when she says,
I don't think it'll take much time.
Questions 77 through 79 refer to the following advertisement.
Relocating a home or business is always a difficult process. However, you can eliminate some of the hassle by having Augusta Transport do the work for you. At Augusta, we will provide everything you need for your move. You won't have to worry about vehicles or packing materials. And with years of coordinating experience, Augusta has become the area's most trusted moving company. Plus, for an extra fee, we can help you prepare for your move by packing up your belongings and labeling your boxes. To learn more about Augusta Transport and to download a coupon worth $50 off any moving service, visit us at www.augustatransport.com.
Number 77. What type of business is Augusta? Number 78. What is offered to customers for an additional charge? Number 79. Why would listeners visit a website? Questions 80 through 82 refer to the following talk.
I would like to take a few minutes to get everyone up to date on our latest project. As was discussed earlier this quarter, I commissioned Capital Group to conduct a market analysis on behalf of our company. Well, the results from their analysis have come back, and they are less promising than we were expecting. As it turns out, our newest board game, Tagline, did not test well with its target consumer group. Most users thought the instructions were too complicated. Moreover, many people found Tagline to be too similar to other games that are already on the market. Given the response from consumers, I've chosen to cancel all future development of Tagline and channel our resources elsewhere.
Number 80. What is the problem? Number 81. What was Capital Group hired to do? Number 82. What has the speaker decided to do? Go on to the next page. Questions 83 through 85 refer to the following news report.
This is Claudia Jordan reporting for CBiz, your most trusted source of business news. Earlier today, the search engine provider Connection held a press conference to announce that it had acquired Map Pro. The acquisition of the satellite mapping company will enable Connection to include updated maps in its search results. This isn't that significant of a development, though. Most major search engines already allow their users to access this type of information. According to Connection's president, Brianna Clinton, the company has several other planned uses for MapPro's technology, including a location-based social networking platform. We'll now welcome 30-year industry veteran Jonathan Starr to talk more about the acquisition and what it means for other online companies.
Number 83. What is the main topic of the news report? Number 84. What does the speaker imply when she says,
"This isn't that significant of a development, though"?
Number 85. Who is Jonathan Starr? Questions 86 through 88 refer to the following telephone message.
Michelle Forbes, this is Kira Farrell calling from Midas Car Rentals. I just want to confirm your rental request, which we received this morning. According to your request, you would like to rent a two-door sedan in Hong Kong from August 4th through 7th. To hold your reservation, I have gone ahead and charged an initial deposit to your credit card. However, we will need a copy of your current driver's license for our records before we can finalize your booking. Please fax a copy to 555-9307. Address the fax to Brent Stewart, as he will be handling your reservation from now on. Thank you for using Midas Car Rentals.
Number 86. Why is the speaker calling? Number 87. According to the message, what will Ms. Forbes need to do? Number 88. What is implied about Brent Stewart? Questions 89 through 91 refer to the following radio announcement.
This announcement is brought to you by the State Weather Bureau. During this time of year, we often experience severe winter conditions in our area. To ensure your safety when driving in snowy and icy conditions, follow these suggestions. First, make sure that your vehicle has winter tires, and when traveling through mountainous areas, bring a set of tire chains with you in case of poor road conditions. And finally, download the Weather Bureau's new emergency mobile phone application. It uses GPS to provide appropriate weather warnings. It can also be programmed to send your location to emergency services in the event of an accident. For additional tips on winter driving, visit www.stateweatherbureau.gov.
Number 89. What is the announcement mainly about? Number 90. What does the speaker recommend? Number 91. What is a feature of the application? Questions 92 through 94 refer to the following talk and schedule.
Good morning and welcome to Charlottesville Chocolates, one of the largest chocolate producers in Western Africa. Unlike most of our competitors, we do not simply take processed cocoa and turn it into chocolate candy. We use a unique production process that begins with our experts working closely with local farmers to select the highest quality cocoa pods. We then roast the seeds in-house and use them to make our renowned chocolate bars that are sold all over the world. You'll see most of this process today, aside from the portion that takes place in the fermentation room, which is undergoing repairs. Instead, we'll visit the seed harvesting area at that allotted time. Now, if everyone's ready, we'll begin.
Number 92. What does the speaker say about Charlottesville chocolates? Number 93. What distinguishes Charlottesville chocolates from its competitors? Number 94. Look at the graphic. When will the seed harvesting room be visited? Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following telephone message and coupon.
Hello, Mr. Hall. This is Bianca from Queen Spa calling about the appointment you made for Saturday at 2 p.m. Unfortunately, you didn't mention exactly which service you wanted to purchase in your message. We are a full-service spa that offers over 30 different massage and skin treatments. For a full description of them, visit our website. While you're there, feel free to print out one of our special discount coupons. This month, we're offering half-off Thai massages, buy one get one free couples foot massages, and a free candle with aromatherapy massages. After you decide which service you want, let us know as soon as possible. That way, we can schedule the appropriate technicians for that day. Thank you.
Number 95. Why is the speaker calling? Number 96. Look at the graphic. What service is the coupon valid for? Number 97. Why does the speaker need the man's decision quickly? Questions 98 through 100 refer to the following announcement and floor plan.
We're glad that so many of you could attend the Cape Breton History Museum's donors event tonight. After 6 months of renovations, our facility has been completely modernized. Before we begin, I'd like to express the museum's gratitude to Kendall Construction for finishing the renovations ahead of schedule. At 7:45 p.m., we'll be taking a group photograph in front of the temporary exhibit located between the Tyrannosaurus statue and the gift shop for tomorrow's newspaper. Until then, you are free to explore the exhibits on your own. Oh, before I forget, please take the time to fill out the Visitor's Experience Survey that one of our staff members will hand out now. We'd really appreciate your feedback on the museum.
Number 98. Why does the speaker thank Kendall Construction? Number 99. Look at the graphic. Which exhibit is not a permanent one? Number 100. What are listeners asked to do?